How's it going, Mining Crew? My name's Artistic Miner. I don't know anymore. Don't ask why I'm wearing this hat. But I heard something. I'm not sure what the HE double hockey sticks it was, but yeah. Don't ask why I'm holding this either. I'm bored. I was hitting a tree. Come on, you want to see? Right here. Right there, you can see the damage I already done to it. And it's this somewhat big tree right there, kind of, sort of, maybe, probably. The real reason I got this camera, I literally got this about 2 minutes ago after hearing this thing. Okay. Showing you what I heard. I don't know what I heard. I swear to freaking God, this sounded like a clown. I was scared to death. Okay, right here in this general area. I'm on guard. Guys, I heard this weird thing. Like, okay, this is like a giant ant pile like thing right here. See, look, right there's giant ant pile. It's been abandoned for like over 4 years, so no ants. But I was right here, getting a stick that was like right there. Oh, I swear to God, I heard itches from itches. I heard this creepy thing, this noise. Tell me what this sounds like. Coming from right there. Scared the crap out of me, I swear to God. I'm scared to death right now. I have no idea what I freaking heard. With all this clown crap that's going on. Like, I've never been scared of clowns in my life. I think they're pathetic. But one comes after me. Bro, I gotta attack. I gotta run or do something. I'm getting a little closer. I'm being ballsy and... What the? Don't know. Black silhouette. I'm out. No. I'm down, bruh. But anyway, hang on, let me out. Pothole. Nope. I don't trust it. I saw silhouette back there. Whew. Okay, you guys know how in my original videos my hair's been like all down in my face and everything. Well, this is a hairstyle I've wanted to get my hair into for a really long time. So, yeah. Let me just try to find a place to set this first. Will this work? Come on, shiny boy, you gotta make it. Sorry, you're just wobbling around and putting you on a tree or something. You know what? Screw it. Here. How about right there? is that? Bruh, what is that? Here, I'll try to get I'll try to get closer to it. Bruh, what is that? That just jump scared the AG double hockey sticks out of me. Oh, I got an extreme fear of bugs. I do this because I think one may be on me. No, I cannot feel bugs. Buggy, no. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna do it here. Revealing the hair. This is my new hairstyle for right now. You like it? Yeah, I figured this out while I was on the bus today. I figured out my hair could actually do this. But I have been trying for like a pretty much a long time to get my hair like this. And I hope you can see this in the video because I look amazing. Comment down below if I look amazing. But I can't like. Where my hat at? There my hat be at. Oh no! Hang on guys, you gotta look at some grass for a minute. Here, check out nature. Nature itself. How'd you enjoy it? Okay, yeah. I keep this on like this until like tomorrow morning. Because that way I can put some gel in it. But yeah, back to that clown thing. That scared the crap out of me. Or that, what, I don't know what that was. Okay, I've never showed you this. I never showed you guys this part, but I think it's about time you should. Let me see how long this is. 7 minutes, okay, after this I'm getting off. Gotta eat. It's about, where's the sun? Right there. Okay, so probably about 6:30 or 7. Ah, my back. Oh wait, I got my phone on me. I can just, why? It's 6:30. Holy crap, I'm good. Rockies in my shoes. Rockies in my shoes. But look at this. Don't you like it? I don't have a dog there, but I freaking saw a dog. Goodbye forever. Trees. Alright guys, that does it for today. I'm tired. Okay. See you.